this is my jingle. No. And this is my jingle. Yes. Yes.
Do it all with Acrobat. Scan all of your docs. Perfect when you want on top the box.
Yes, Lewky. Love.
Thank you.
Yeah, this is actually kind of triggering for me. When I was young, I was mauled by a baby fox.
Poor baby.
Ew.
I was 37 years old.
I remember those tiny, tiny bandages.
I totally understand. How about something like this?
Do it all with Acrobat. Simply edit text. Look how quick I changed into T-Rex.
I'm loving that.
Great.
Actually, that's kind of triggering for me. When I was young, I was mauled by a baby T-Rex.
Oh.
They have very sharp fingers.
Claws.
I totally understand. So, how about this?
Do it all with Acrobat. Templates help you start. Make people respect you and see you smart.
That's the one.
I mean, seriously,
yes,
it's so
that
good.
was amazing.
Are you okay?
Actually, it's just that it's sort of triggering for me, because sometimes I feel like I'm not smart.
Oh, you were so smart. You're the smartest.
I don't mean that.
We were
Yeah,
just
we were just
talking
saying- we were
about
whispering,
how smart
smart
you
you
are.
are.
You are the smartest.
Thanks, thanks, Dad. I mean, Hassan and Patty.
You're welcome, son.